Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Little Company mods. So the first step is to go to your Steam library and locate Little Company. Once there, right click on it and hover over the manage option. Here you'll have to select browse local files to open the folder with your game files. Copy everything in this folder to a separate location. This is very important. So the first step is to install Thunderstorm Mode Manager. So first, go to Thunderstorm Mode Manager website and download the installer, then install it at your desired location. Once installed, open it up. In the main menu, you'll find numerous games available. Look up Little Company using the search bar at the top. Select the game and it will ask you to create a profile. Thunderstorm provides this option so that each profile has a respective mode. So if you like challenging gameplay, you can create a separate mode profile with different modes, basically. Once the profile is created, select it. By default, Thunderstorm will select the folder location of Little Company. To double check, select Settings and check Little Company directory option. And now basically you're ready to install mods for Little Company, and it will be an easy affair from here. Now what you have to do is simply install Little Company mods. So click on the Get Mods option in the left sidebar to open up the store. In the store, search for a mod called this one here, Beep in X Pack. It's a Unity mod framework that ensures you can install mods to the game, and this is very essential. So without this, you cannot install mods. So make sure to install this. While installing a mod, it will ask you about the version that you want to install. Simply click the Download with Dependencies button and keep going. To launch Little Company with mods, click on the blue modded button at the top right, and basically that's all you have to do in order to install Little Company mods. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.